What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax. Hope you're doing well. We're going to go over Gala Games, currently sitting at 0.040, down 5.3 on the day, seeing a market cap of 273 million. 24-hour volume, 93.24 million. Ladies and gentlemen, if you're new to Bybit or Bitget, sign up, grab those bonuses. This is where I do the majority of my trading. You can check out my full-length tutorials in the description. And if you email me or sign up email, I'll give you completely free access to my Discord that doesn't want to load right now. There's over 2,000 members in there posting chart patterns, talking all things crypto. Yeah, it's being a bit of a bitch today. So I'll give you free access if you sign up to one of the exchanges. Email me or sign up email. So let's hop into Gala Games. Our wave count has been playing out. We met the minimum target for a wave 2 pullback, and as you can see, we've started to break down impulsively, which is typical of a wave 3. So you look for that 5-way move. If we're going to take a look at the micro count, let's just use the brush. Could be a wave 1, wave 2. You come down in 3, pull back in a 4, and you come down in a wave 5 just to complete the wave 1 of the wave 3. The target for the wave 3 is all the way down at 0.025. I bet you didn't believe when Gala was at 0.05 that it would pull all the way back to 0.025. That's why patience is so important in this game. So we'll take a look at our next chart for Gala. This is the bullish scenario that this is a wave 4 pullback. It's currently sitting on the 50% retracement. So if we break that, then obviously it's invalidated. We're about to print the bearish cross. So Gala would have to see a nice bounce. So let's see if we have a bullish divergence on the 4-hour. Oh, we do. So we may see that bounce in the short term. As you can see, the RSI regaining strength as we're creating, well, basically equal lows. Money's flowing back in. So we may see a bounce. So if we do see a nice bounce and we invalidate that small little wave 4, we'll look at a potential recount, but I think there's a good chance that we've already put this wave 2 in. But if we do break to the upside, then we'd have to be looking at a different correction that puts you up into that wave 2 pullback zone. We'll have to see how it plays out. We're oversold on the 1 hour, on the RSI, on the money flow, and we do have those bullish divergences. So we may see a bounce sooner than later. But overall, I do think you will see continuation to the downside. And let me close these really quickly. In our wave 2 pullback to take you down in between about 0.021 and about 0.032. But I do think there's a good chance we come back down to the 2-cent range. And basically what you've done for Gala is you put in a beautiful wave 1 to the upside. You have a wave 2 pullback. That's where I'll look to add to my HODL position. Then you push up in a wave 3. So let's say we come all the way down to 0.025. I'll give you a wave 3 target based off that. Of course, anything can happen, but we'll just project a little bit at a potential future scenario. 2.5, yeah, so your wave 3 target, wow, look how perfectly that lined up. Your wave 3 target would be 29 cents, and from 0.025, that's an appreciation of basically 1,000%. Which is pretty juicy if you ask me. So we'll see how it plays out. If we were to come up, we'll zoom back in. If we were to come all the way back up and break 0.046, then it's unlikely it's a wave 2. But I don't think that is the more probable scenario in my opinion. But we may see a small bounce in the short term. All right, gang, so sign up to either Bybit or Bitget. Grab those bonuses. Email me your sign-up email. Completely free access to my Discord, which is not loading for some reason. Currently, we are short both Bitcoin and Ethereum, making some juicy profits, which I drop signals for in the Discord, and I have daily analysis. So if you want early access to all those goodies, it's only 10 USD per month. And you can sign up through the Patreon link. Make sure to smash the like button for the YouTube algorithm. And I'll see you in the next video. All right, much love. Take care.